I'm trying to solve the Rubik's cube in under 2 minutes. I know how to solve a cube. I've solved it a couple of times, but usually it takes around 20 minutes to solve the cube. Right now I'm using the easiest method that I found on YouTube. So this is day 1 and let's see.
This color is green.
18 minutes. दिसते I'm able to solve the cube within 5 minutes, but it just takes a lot of moves. So there are 3 methods in speed solving: CFOP, RU and ZZ. I'll go with the most popular one, CFOP. So in CFOP we have to start by making cross, then simultaneously solve the first 2 layers, which is F2L, using bunch of different algorithms. Then comes the top layer OLL, which has 10 basic algorithms, and finish off by PLL, which has 6 algorithms. I'll try to solve the cross as fast as possible since there is no algorithms to solve the cross, and then I'll try to learn the algorithms of the first 2 layers. I will only learn the algorithms of the pieces which are closer to each other, like this one. So I'll solve with the algorithm. So solved, and the pieces which are far away from each other, I will solve it visually, like this. This is far away from each other, so we have to bring this to this. So I'll solve it visually like this. Solved. There are 3 to 4 situations in the F2L method where I can use the beginner's method algorithm, which is R prime, U prime, U prime, R prime, and just repeat it 2 to 3 times and it just gets solved, like this one. 1, 2, 3, and this gets solved. So my average time is 1 minute 20 seconds, in which F12 takes 50 seconds and OLN and PLL takes 10 to 15 seconds each. The main problem arises in the F12 where we have to navigate the pieces. It just takes around extra 10 seconds to do that. In OLL and PLL it is not that hard to navigate as in F12 method. So I'll try to bring my time of F12 under 40 seconds, and OLL and PLL under 20 seconds hopefully, so that I can solve the cube under a minute. So my full footage of the 55 second solve is on the Instagram page right here. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.